Kikai Industries present you this very traditionally designed food truck. This project has been commissioned by very famous cloud kitchen based company, Rosie's Kitchen in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. They make one of the most authentic Odia sweet delicacies, which has always won over the hearts of people over years. Our team has put special effort on designing this food truck by paying special attention to intricate details in order to represent the spirit of the popular Odia festival Manabasa. The painting and artwork used are drawn using references from rural classic art sculpture and patterns. We've incorporated new eye-catchy trendy patterns and designs along with the traditional rural design which provides this food truck a unique look, yet we've maintained the authenticity and spirit of our traditional roots. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more food truck related content. Have a great day.